Here's what nobody tells you about stress and intimacy. When your nervous system is stuck in flight or fight, connection becomes nearly impossible. Your body doesn't know the difference between a work deadline and a real threat. When stress hormones flood your system, intimacy takes a break. This is where therapeutic touch becomes a game changer. Massage therapy literally shifts your nerve system from stress to safe. It tells your body, you can relax now. You're safe to connect. I've seen couples transform their relationship by prioritizing stress relief together. When both partners are regulated, intimacy flows naturally. Self care isn't selfish, it's the foundation of healthy intimacy. How do you and your partner manage stress together?